It has been 2 years. 2 years since I uploaded the last video. And now I'm back. Wanna know why? Let's go. So 2 years ago, I was done. I was overworked. Having my game channel, having my cooking channel, it was all too much. That with a new job, a lot of work, a lot of extra work, made me decide to stop making videos. So I found my rest. I'm always making food because I still like to make food. One of my hobbies is making food, so yeah, pretty damn awesome. And now I have more time. I stopped gaming. Work is better. I found the perfect balance. So I'm having more time. And suddenly on Facebook, somebody contacted me like, Dave, I found a video on YouTube. Is this you? I was like, yeah, it's me. Why? Oh, damn. A lot of views, man. Good job. I was, huh? A lot of views. So I checked and 16,000 views on one of the videos. And the video was like how to start up your Kamado for the first time. And that made a fire turn on again. I was like, holy crap. There are people interested in these kinds of videos. So I'm gonna make some more. I ordered some camera gear, as you can see, new microphone. This time I'm gonna record with my phone and a gimbal, and yeah, I think we can make something awesome. But a lot of things change, guys. Yeah, here, my new porch in the Netherlands. We call it veranda. This one for the sun. We can open the roof, close the roof. I got a new Kamado here. I've got a new mini bastard for the kids. I'm gonna show everybody in the future why we purchased this one and why we got the other ones, because I still have more Kamados than one. So yeah, with some flowers, my rose flowers. I've got a palm tree, an olive tree, my swimming pool, mandarin tree, another olive tree. Of course, pool, as you can see, me and my kids like that. Palm tree, because yeah, if you have a pool, you should be having a palm tree. Give it the feeling like, oh damn, we're on a holiday. And then of course, the most famous part of my house for everybody, my cooking area. And the first thing you can see here is this beauty. I will put in some beauty shots later, but this is the Bastard VX Large. And bloody hell, this thing is amazing. It's awesome. It's, for me, at the moment, the perfect barbecue. But more in a later video. I'll be telling you guys why we bought this, what I'm doing with it, why I've got like 3 Kamados, the small, the medium, and the large, because I still have the medium here. The old one, my first Kamado I bought, still here, still making a lot of use of it. So yeah, that's still here. Furthermore, I bought some new tools. Gonna be in a later video. I will document everything we did, everything we bought, all the new stuff. Yeah, that's about it. No more news, except, oh yeah, we also bought this table, 8-person table, 8 chairs, really comfortable chairs. We've got some nice cushions in it with anti-slip mats underneath it. So if you're gonna sit and you wanna lay down, you won't slip off. Some things for my camera gears, my plans to make everything look nice. Yeah, and for now that's it. So after 2 years, I'm back. And I think together we can make a really awesome channel. We can build an awesome channel. But for that, I'm gonna need some help. I wanna know, what do you wanna see? Want to see more recipes? Give me a product. If you want to see a recipe with eggplants, I can make some eggplants recipes on the Kamado. Meat, of course, all kinds of meat is no problem, because yeah, I like meat. No veggie here. And besides that, all the extra accessories, that you can wish for your Kamado. I will show you what I'm doing with it because most of them I already have. Now, this was Dave from Dinner with Dave. Thank you all for watching. Together we're gonna build a really nice channel, so please like and subscribe, and we're gonna see each other next time. Bye bye.